मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग जीके का कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे। सुपरलेटिव्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। सुपरलेटिव्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कुछ क्वेश्चन हम लिखते हैं, आप नोट करते चलिएगा। Which is the largest desert in the world? आंसर क्या होगा? सहारा डेजर्ट। Sahara desert is the largest desert in the world. Number 2. Which is the longest river in the world? विश्व की सबसे लंबी नदी कौन सी है? आंसर इज नाइल। नाइल रिवर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। लार्जेस्ट म्यूजियम which is the largest museum in the world? The largest museum in the world is British Museum, London. British Museum, London is the largest museum in the world. Number 4. Largest library in the world. Which is the largest library in the world? The Library of Congress. Washington DC. The Library of Congress, Washington DC, USA, is the largest library in the world. The Library of Congress, Washington DC, is the largest library in the world. Number 5. Tallest building. Which is the tallest building in the world? Which is the tallest building in the world? Answer is Burj Khalifa. Dubai. Burj Khalifa, Dubai, is the tallest building in the world. Next. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Answer is Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Next question. Longest bridge above water. Dhona Sadia. Dhona Sadia Bridge, India. Dhona Sadia Bridge is the longest bridge above water in the world. Number 8. Biggest cave temple. Just a minute. अरे कैसा है? हो गया. Biggest cave temple, Kailasa temple. Kailasa temple in Ellora Caves is the biggest cave temple. Next question. Most populated city in the world. Paris, Tokyo. Tokyo is the most populated city in the world. Tokyo is the most populated city in the world. Next question. Which is the most visited city of the world? It is Paris. Paris is the most visited city of the world. Which is the deepest place on the earth? Which is the deepest place on the earth? Mariana Trench, Challenger Deep, Mariana Trench. मारियाना ट्रेंच जो पैसिफिक ओशियन में है. जापान के निकट पैसिफिक ओशियन में मारियाना ट्रेंच विश्व में सबसे गहरा स्थान है. नंबर 12. Which is the longest wall on the earth? Answer is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall on the earth. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall on the earth. Next. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Answer is Angel Falls. Venezuela. Angel Fall, Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world. Biggest cinema house in the world. Which is the biggest cinema house in the world? Answer is Roxy. New York. Roxy Cinema House. Roxy Cinema Hall is the biggest cinema house in the world. 15. Largest delta. Which is the largest delta in the world? Answer is delta of Sundarbans. Delta of Sundarban, India and बांग्लादेश. बस बच्चों आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे. गुड बाय. HW नोट कर लीजिए. Learn and write CW. Okay?